must-know secrets about our immune health. Please do make use of the glossary at the end of this video to understand this video. The immune system is our primary barrier against harmful pathogens in the environment around us. In addition to protecting us from pathogens, the immune system also plays the very important role of controlling precise inflammatory responses that help our body heal damaged tissues. Why should we boost our immune system? Boosting our immune system protects against a variety of infectious diseases, improves cardiovascular health, lowers blood pressure, helps control body weight. What happens if the immune system is not balanced? Immune system can either become underreactive or overreactive. Immune underreaction causes cancer, human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, only when having unprotected sex with an infected person, transfusion of HIV-infected blood, sharing of HIV-infected needles, hepatitis, shingles, tuberculosis, TB, infections by mold, fungi, bad bacteria, parasites, viruses. Other symptoms of weakened immune system includes frequent colds, flus and fevers, chronic fatigue, seasonal allergies, trouble waking up in the morning, constipation, trouble sleeping, chronic skin conditions. Immune overreaction causes dysregulation of the immune system. This is where the immune system is highly active, but targeting the body's own tissues rather than invading pathogens. This results in chronic inflammation and destruction of tissues around the body. It is these conditions that are classically referred to as autoimmunity, like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, inflammatory bowel disease, type 1 diabetes, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, allergic reaction, lots of food sensitivities, allergies, eczema, asthma, sinusitis. What destroys our immune system? Eating high sugar and high carbohydrate foods. A diet high in carbohydrates and sugar hinders the absorption of vitamin C, which we get from food and supplements, thus hindering the immune function. Excess sugar also feeds candida, which depletes critical nutrients like vitamin C, glutathione and zinc. Sleep deprivation or poor quality sleep. It results in upregulation of certain inflammatory processes as well as poor blood sugar balance and metabolic disorders. Poor sleep also causes a heightened stress response in the nervous system. This, along with elevated cortisol levels over prolonged periods, hinders proper immune system function. Drinking unfiltered tap water. Municipal tap water contains many toxic elements like chlorine, fluoride, heavy metals, etc. Staying indoors all day. Chronic dehydration. It is a condition when dehydration recurs for longer periods, sometimes regardless of how much water you take in on a particular day with respect to extreme heat exposure or prolonged physical activity. What is the solution to boost our immune system? Stop eating high sugar and high carbohydrates foods. White blood cells are part of the body's immune system. They require vitamin C to help the body fight infection and other diseases. Get good sleep every night is one of the most important immune boosters. Drink RO water. Your body needs clean water and minerals to conduct electrical signals in the brain. Toxic water prevents this process. Invest in reverse osmosis (RO) water system. Add few drops of lemon juice to boost your immune system. Be outdoors much as possible. Sunlight is very vital for proper functioning of immune system. Getting sun exposure in the morning primes the circadian rhythm to support optimal sleep at night. Also, sunlight assists in the formation of vitamin D, which modulates immune function. Avoid dehydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day as much as you can. Natural immune boosters through food and supplements. Now let's have a look at the list of the immune booster nutrients that will play unique roles in boosting the immune system to help fight pathogens as well as control inflammatory pathways in the body. Vitamin D3. Vitamin D is more of a hormone than it is a vitamin. Hormones interact with cells directly to elicit specific biological processes. Due to inadequate sun exposure and organ meat consumption, most people do not have adequate vitamin D levels from a functional perspective. Levels between 50 to 100 nanograms/dl seem to provide the greatest benefits. Getting more sunlight throughout the day and supplementing with 1000 per 11.3 kilograms of body weight is a great way to reach optimal levels levels. Having a complete thyroid report done 1 to 2 times a year can help to monitor vitamin D levels and keep them in the 60 to 100 nanograms/dl range. Zinc is effective for stabilizing an over or underactive immune system. Zinc also plays a role in enzyme function. It protects DNA, prevents viral replicates and protects against accumulation of metabolic wastes within cells. A daily dose of 20 to 40 milligrams is recommended. This can come from a combination of food sources and supplemental form. Vitamin C. Humans are one of the only animals who cannot produce their own endogenous supply of vitamin C. We must get it from external sources like food or through supplementation. White blood cells rely upon vitamin C in order to both defend and fight foreign pathogens in the body. In addition to this, vitamin C is an important component in controlling inflammatory responses to damaged tissues. Finally, vitamin C also acts as an antihistamine and helps to control hyperinflammatory responses to things like colds, flu, and allergies. Beta-glucan. It is one of the most balancing immune boosters featured on this list. It is often referred to as a biological response modifier which helps to bind to white blood cells and improve their immune coordination. Beta-glucan compounds are found in mushrooms, yeasts, certain algae, and oats. Should be gluten-free. Beta-glucans are a class of polysaccharide compounds, one of the better studied being 1,3-D beta-glucan. Studies have shown that beta-glucans have the ability to activate T cells, macrophages, natural killer, NK cells, and cytokines interleukin 1 and 2. Consequently, research has shown that beta-glucans are able to help prevent cancer growth and protect against pathogens. Depending on whether you are healthy or dealing with a significant immune challenge, a dose of 500 milligrams all the way to 1000 milligrams twice daily could be used. Olive leaf extract. Olive leaf is a less commonly known herb that is antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial. In addition to exerting antimicrobial effects, olive leaf extract also supports the immune system by boosting white blood cells' ability to engulf and destroy microbes. Olive leaf extract has been found to work in a dose-dependent manner. This means generally, higher doses are more effective. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fats like alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, are important for the body in many ways. It is one of the most underlooked immune boosters. In particular, DHA provides the following benefits: builds healthy brain tissue, supports eye health, improves mood balance, stabilizes lipid levels, supports joint health. In fact, one of the most prominent benefits of DHA is its ability to help lower inflammation. Remember, chronic inflammation is often a cause of an overly active immune system, leading to things like autoimmunity and allergies. A study performed on young children supports this idea by observing lower instances of allergies and upper respiratory infections in those who received adequate DHA. Glutathione. It is a powerful antioxidant that controls inflammation and helps to regulate other antioxidants in the body, such as vitamin C. It is also a powerful detoxification agent, helping to remove toxins in the body so that they cannot detract from the immune system. More specifically, glutathione strengthens T cells, which are important for fighting off bacteria, viruses, parasites, and other harmful pathogens. Altogether, glutathione provides a fundamental role among the immune boosters on this list. Glutathione production in the body generally declines with age. There are ways to boost it up, however. Consuming foods that contain glycine, glutamic acid, and cysteine will help provide the building blocks for glutathione. The best foods include avocados, onions, spinach, asparagus, and turmeric. Even better sources for these components are grass-fed whey protein and pastured eggs. Finally, glutathione can be used in supplemental form. Glutathione supplements are readily available in the market. One issue is that not all of them are readily absorbable. Best is liposomal glutathione, following with glutathione capsules and tablets. Curcumin. It is one of the most studied compounds isolated from the turmeric root. It has powerful anti-inflammatory effects as well as a mind-blowingly wide range of systemic benefits in the body. The anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cancer-fighting effects are enough to substantially boost the immune system. Curcumin seems to not just lower inflammation, but also assist the immune system with antibody responses responsible for targeting infections. Curcumin has implicated benefits for arthritis, asthma, allergies, and cancer. Probiotics. You've probably heard by now that the gut is an important part of the immune system. The bacterial balance of the gut helps to prevent harmful pathogens from entering the bloodstream through the digestive tract. Having the wrong kinds of bacteria in your gut can also directly contribute to autoimmune conditions through chronic inflammation. One way to ensure your gut contains the kinds of bacteria that are going to protect you is by supplementing with a probiotic. Certain strains of bacteria like Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium longum, Lactobacillus plantarum, and Bifidobacterium lactis are clinically studied strains of bacteria with multiple health benefits. Green veggies, greens powder. Finally, using a greens and superfoods powder on a regular basis can be powerful for keeping the immune system strong. Ideally, you want a combination of foods that are detoxifying, anti-inflammatory, micronutrient-dense, and organically sourced. This can be especially helpful during times of increased demand on the immune system. This is because the combined effects of the superfoods and greens assist the body in several processes to allow the immune system to act more efficiently. Spirulina. It is one of the most nutrient-dense foods in the world. It is a blue-green algae that is adaptable to its environment yet very basic in its biology. Consequently, spirulina contains a full array of vitamins, minerals, and powerful pigmented compounds. These pigmented compounds are called phycocyanins and anthocyanins and are extremely powerful antioxidants. In addition to providing an abundance of nutrients and antioxidants, spirulina also helps to maintain a healthy bacterial balance in the gut. Chlorella. It is another algae with substantial benefits. It contains an equally impressive nutrition profile and is abundant in the detoxifying compound, chlorophyll. As we talked about earlier, people just don't get enough sun these days. Chlorophyll actually helps the human body absorb beneficial light waves from the sun and turn them into energy. Chlorella is one of the most concentrated sources of chlorophyll you can find. Additionally, studies have backed up chlorella's role among the other immune boosters. Research has shown that components of chlorella help to assist in controlling chronic inflammatory and allergy-like responses of the immune system. The immune boosters discussed in this video will help us achieve an immune system strong and efficient and brings our immune system to balance without causing any negative side effects. For optimal functioning of our body, our immune system should be balanced. Friends, thank you for watching my video. Hope the information provided was useful to you. I have shared the links to quite a few tried and tested healthcare products online. You can purchase those products through the links I have provided in the description box below. Hope to meet you soon with a new video on health. Till then, live, love, learn, laugh.